Hello guys, we're back in another video, and today we're going to show you what I got from TK Maxx.
Yeah, whatever.
So the reason we got this is because it's 30 degrees in England and it's really hot, and it's really hard to sleep because it's really warm. Also, we went to TK Maxx not just for the fan. We went to get my brother a fan. So we went to get him a fan. So
you got two fans today?
No, he went to get a fan, but I was like, I should get a fan as well. So I got a fan as well.
Okay, right, let's have a look then. TK Maxx Manchester 4.
Here's so
it's a trendy fan.
Yeah. So this is the reason I got this color is because firstly it's the same color. This is like.
Is it wooden here? Is it wooden or
no? This is metal.
That's metal.
Yeah. So this is the same kind of texture. I mean, looking as my drawer, and this is the same color as my desk. So I got this color.
On your desk.
Yeah. So this is the drawer. This is color of the drawer.
Okay.
This color the white.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So that they're the same color. So
okay.
I got this color. So basically, yeah. So yeah. Should we plug in?
No. Let's just see what it's like.
Okay.
So metal kind of. The wings of the fan kind of part. The metal.
Yes.
3 of them. Turn it around. Go on, turn it around. Okay, that's the side. Back part. You got 2 settings. You got high and low. You know. You don't know that you got high and low.
Yeah.
Well, before when you were saying it, you just had one setting, one on and off. How much did the normal load that comes with it?
£19 only.
£19.
The reason I got this because I'm saving up for something better.
What?
Yeah.
What like?
I'm not saying. When I get it, I'll tell you.
Okay, that's fine.
You know it. You know it.
I don't know it. I don't know it because if what? No, but your auntie said she's gonna get you that.
No, she says you're gonna put money to it.
I'll put money towards it. Okay, so you can hang it as well. So you can hang it from there. Yeah, it's alright. Looks pretty solid. Looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
Let's and the little stand. What have you got? Little rubber bits on the stand. Just show us the rubber bits. Yeah, rubber bits on the stand. Some blurb here. Go and turn it up. Turn it the other way around. Let's see what it says there. What does it say here? What
does it say?
Just the name of the thing. TJX Europe Watford. 7-inch clock fan. As they're going to pass some tests. Right, so it's pretty legit. It's quite interesting because you this bit here, it's like you can see the motor.
Yeah.
For it. Yeah. Anyway, so do you want to plug it in then?
Yes. So
we'll just
it has some kind of.
Not bad. Pretty good length of cord there. Just pull it open. So £20 isn't bad. TK Maxx, someone sells some real gems. 19.99.
1p less.
1p less, yeah. Come on then, open it up. You're taking too long. Why take so long to do that? Go on then.
Go and plug it in over there.
Why do I have to plug it in?
Picasso.
Right.
Picasso.
Hold it like that. Hold it exactly like that. In fact, not the longest. Well, you don't need because you can put it right on your desk next to your bed.
Okay, new test.
Okay, let's have that then.
You go.
Do you want to put it on?
Yes.
So, let's put it on.
Put it on first setting. That's pretty hard for a Picasso. Okay, go second.
So is it quite cool?
Take the label off the back. Yes, it's very nice. I know what to do with that one. Also, if you want it to be cooler, get some ice. Get some, not ice, I mean, maybe some of those storage packs.
Ice pack?
Yeah, the storage ice packs. Put it behind the fan and it'll make it more cooler. Yeah.
Storage ice packs?
No.
Upstairs the other day. I mean, next to your bed it'll be alright, but it ain't the most powerful. Alright.
Yeah. Yes.
Looks nice, but let's see there. Let's just maybe feedback and see if it's any good.
We've got the